Hey everybody, it's Davita with WTI. I have been completely obsessed with this earring set by Funtopia. There are so many different types of earrings to choose from hoops to dangly earrings to beautiful studded earrings. Especially if you have multiple piercings, they're great for mixing and matching. I love them because of the variety. I have a favorite pair, which are these gorgeous gold drop earrings with a flower shape and a pearl in the center. They're so stunning. I can't get enough. Because 61 pairs of earrings come in this set, they also make a really great gift. So I'm going to be giving some of these away to my friends. I know I can't keep them all for myself, even though I want to, but I've really enjoyed using these. I think they're really great quality too. I especially love that there's a variety of colors and shapes. So if you're an earring person like I am, I know you are going to love this earring set by Funtopia. And that is my point of view.